Hi everybody. For this video, I'm going to ask about Harry and Sentebale, and we're going to ask about King Charles and see what in the world does he think about his darling boy. So, yeah, we're going to ask. Go ahead and just start. So we want to know, what does Charles think about Harry with the Sentebale thing? Can you spell it out, or let's just give you a kickstart so you can you please spell it out for us? What does Charles think of Harry right now and the Sentebale? It is a mess, isn't it? Please tell us. Oh, yes, you're going to yes, okay. Yes, it is a mess. Okay, please spell it out. What does Charles... what does he think? Please spell it out for us. Okay, H. Okay, next letter. Next letter, please. And as quickly as you can. Sorry, but we'll be here all night sometimes. Okay, are you going to say Harry? Yes, okay. So what does he think about Harry, please? And this Sentebale thing? I know what us as a... I know what we as watchers think. But what does he think, please? I can just imagine, but... what does King Charles think? I. Is that an I? G. What does he think about Harry? I think it's going to N. Yep, N. Is that an O? Okay. R. It looks like you're going to R. Okay. What does he think about Harry? What does he think, please? Okay, at first I thought it was going to say ignorant, but it's ignore. Ignore. On his... okay, so Charles is ignoring it. What about William? What about Prince William? What is he doing? What is he... does he want to do something? How does he feel, please? How does he feel? F. U. Next letter, please. William. I feel like it's, yeah, it's not the word you guys think it is, so don't. Yeah, it's going to M. I. Are you saying he's fuming? Yes. Going to yes. William is fuming. I don't blame him. I do not blame them. Goodness gracious. What shame have they brought? They brought much shame on the royal family, as if they need any more. But, so, is the king going to do anything, or, is the palace going to, send out a statement, or what? Is the palace going to send out a statement? And that's going no. That is going to no. Oh my goodness. Well, okay, that's all I got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for being here, and I want to give a shout out to all my members. Thank you so much. If you'd like to become a member, press the join button, and all the perks will be on there. I try to share little spiritual things for my lovely members over there. So thank you, and I will see you in the next one.